What is this?
This is a restored 1968 Daihatsu tipper.
I've heard a thing or two that you might have helped them along the way with a bit of extra oomph under the hood.
We decided to put a Holden 202 motor in them, and that really gave them some oomph. And we even had customers saying that they could spin the wheels in it. It was that powerful. So why don't you hop in and have a look?
I'll give it my best. Oh, it doesn't look too hard.
Holy moly.
Yeah, it's fairly tight. Only young people wrecking the damn car. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Not the quietest vehicle compared to...
I can't hear what you're saying.
Comes down a bit faster than it goes up. Yeah.